What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be welding a sculpture. So I'm getting online to see if I can find a reference photo, something that resembles what I thought of initially when I first wanted to start this project. And once I found the photo, I get out my scrap bins and I see if I can find little metal parts to resemble pieces on the object I'm trying to weld, and I sort of assemble it mentally as I'm picking out the parts. Now this video was taken a couple years ago, and at this point I didn't really have any welding experience, just the cheapest Harbor Freight welder and the cheapest welding helmet at Harbor Freight as well. I didn't get any sleeves, didn't get any gloves, any safety equipment really. At this point I don't even think I had an angle grinder to finish anything off if I needed to. Just a pair of tin snips. So I figured I'd just bring it home and I'd see what I could do with it and see if I can make it work for me. And in the end I think the project turned out pretty cool, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. So it was really interesting trying to weld this project with no prior welding experience. I ended up welding the sculpture to the table a couple times. Some of the washers and smaller stuff would just melt under the heat. The welder that I'm using is a 90 amp flux core from Harbor Freight with 035 wire, I think, which is just what it came with it. And I found out later that the Harbor Freight wire is really horrible. Once I switched it out, it was much better. Got a lot of slag on this, got a lot of BBs on this, but I really think it gives the sculpture character, and I think it made it pretty interesting. I just gave it a coat of shellac afterwards just as a protective coating so it doesn't keep rusting with all the rusty parts on it. I had a friend of mine who the sculpture was actually for as a gift. Take these photos of the sculpture. I think they look amazing and they turned out great. And the sculpture turned out great. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. And until the next one, you guys have a good one.